Today I'm going to show you the another conditional statement, that is nothing but switch statement. If you have multiple conditions need to check and want to execute a single block, then in that case we can use switch statement. So first of all, let's start browser and notepad, and let's see our localhost is running or not. It is not running. I need to start the XAMPP control panel and start the localhost. The Apache service has been started, and if I just refresh it, it is running. So first of all, we need to give question mark PHP, and the syntax for this switch statement is like this. Switch, the condition would go here, and case if the value 1 is match, then this block of code will run, and we need to just give a break to break that block. In the case if value 2 matches the condition, then it should execute this block, and here also we need to give break. And if nothing will match, then it should execute the default block. If no match is found, then default block will execute. Let's try with one example. If I say day number equals to 4, and if I write something like switch, and if day num is case 1 and then break, and it should print message like echo. For day 1 it should show a Monday, and similarly for other days also we will write the condition 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If day num is 1, then it should show Monday. If 2, then Tuesday. If it is 3, then Wednesday. If it is 4, Thursday. If it is 5, Friday. If it is 6, Saturday. If it is 7, then Sunday. And if no matches found default, then it should show message like wrong day number. Now just save it with the name all files switch stmt.php switch statement, and here I need to just go to PHP programs, and here you can see the current. So it is showing Thursday, that is it is matching this condition. Now if I say something like 8, so it should go to the wrong number because it is not matching any case above that. So it is showing a wrong day number. And if I say 1 over here, so it is showing Monday. So in this case you can use switch statements for multiple cases. If you want to use, here it is checking whether the day number is equals to 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, or if it is not matching with the above cases, then it is showing the default message, that is nothing but a wrong day number. So in default block you can write a code which is eventually executed if no condition is matched. So that's all for now. In the next tutorial, we are going to see some loops in PHP. The popular loops are while loop, do while loop, for loop, and for each loop. We will see in the next tutorial. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, stay tuned.